Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, confirm you meet the prerequisites, like account rank and questline unlocks, because those gate the title. Next, gather required items, 5 exploration tokens, and 1 map fragment, since you cannot progress without them. Then go to the expedition board and accept the Voyager quest to initiate the timed objectives. Once accepted, the system spawns initial waypoints. Follow them closely and complete the first set of sampling and navigation tasks to unlock the middle steps. Once done with step 1, move into execution. You need to clear 3 timed navigation waypoints, so use fast travel or your vehicle and plan routes to shave minutes. Simultaneously, perform 6 scans at high-yield nodes because their data accelerates quest progress. Then tackle the environmental puzzle by aligning the 3 beacons in sequence. This unlocks a gate that leads deeper. Make sure to manage inventory and cooldowns. Failing a timed node forces a short reset, which wastes the progress you just made. You finish by entering the final chamber, completing the boss interaction, and turning in quest items to the expedition board to receive the Voyager title. Be precise. Execute the final mechanics and hand in the required samples immediately, because delays can invalidate a timed reward. If something goes wrong, first relog or clear cache to resolve sync issues, then repeat the failed timed node or recruit a teammate to trigger the checkpoint. That one troubleshooting tip usually recovers stuck progress quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.